Now then, we've got a 2025 VW Caddy and we're trying to get the door handle out of it. So, a little rubber bung here, I take that out, and then inside of here, it's a bit hard to point to, but you'll have a little catch that goes into the door handle here. So this part is the door handle, this part is the inside of the catch. So what you need to do is screwdriver into the hole. I can't show you, I might not be able to show you. Now, there's a little hole inside of here which locates where the cable goes into. So behind here there's a little hole, you need to put the screwdriver in there somehow. I don't know why they keep changing them, it's a pain in the arse. Bear with me. Right, once you've got it in there, you can push this lock mechanism backwards and forwards. So basically, push it forward, and then from the other side, just give the handle a little wiggle. Right, we're back. So I needed 2 hands for that. So yeah, push the lock mechanism in, or push it towards whatever the inside of the door, give the handle a wiggle and it should release it. Now I don't know if I can show you, I don't know if you'll be able to see anything, but you can see the handle moving there, and then that little latch mechanism staying in place. So you come around to the other side, you can see the handle pull all the way out, and then to get it back in, put the handle in, push it in, and that's it, we're back in again.